Hoping somebody can help me here. I've got a Whirlpool GSS26C5XXY fridge and the auger motor in the ice dispenser in the freezer won't turn on. It doesn't make any noise like it's trying to turn on. I've replaced the auger motor. I've replaced the control board. On the actuator switches, I've switched the water to the ice switch and vice versa, and they both work with water. When I press on the ice switch, the chute door opens to let the ice out, so that switch seems to be fine. The door does not seem to be the problem, but the auger motor itself just doesn't turn. Nothing happens. I've got it loose here. That's the part number. I tried tracing the wiring, but it appears that this goes into the door and does not come out anywhere going to this control board or in any of these harnesses. So unsure if it's worth the time to figure out how to take this whole door off to get to it, or if there is another switch in here somewhere. I can't figure out what the problem is. Again, the auger motor's new, the control board's new. Well, new to me, they're used. And I've switched the water and the ice actuator switches, and they both work on the water setting. They both open the ice door. Neither one will turn the ice auger motor. Any ideas in the comments? I'd appreciate it.